Navigation panes are panes in Advisor, Analyst, Analyst X, or Server interface that give the end user some important information regarding the page. Here's an example of a navigation pane in a project on the Advisor server. As you can see, the content displayed is a formatted document, which generally includes important definitions of terms, how-to hints, suggestions for analysis, or even web links. A navigation pane is associated with a single page in Advisor software. So as you can see, each page has its own unique content in its navigation pane. Navigation panes are panes in Advisor, Analyst, Analyst X, or Server interface that gives the end user some important information regarding the page. Here's an example of a navigation pane in an Advisor project on the server. As you can see, the content displayed is a formatted document and generally includes important definitions of terms, how-to hints, suggestions for analysis, or even web links. A navigation pane is associated with a single page in a project. So as you can see, each page has its own unique navigation pane content. Projects open with navigation panes automatically displayed so the user knows that the content is there, but they do have the option to close the navigation pane or hide it. To do this, simply go to the selection toolbar and select the Display Navigator panel icon. To restore the navigation pane, simply click the icon once more. Now to create navigation pane content is fairly simple. Let's do an example. You need to use a tool that allows you to specify the file format as rich text, such as Microsoft Word, which is what I will be using. So you just have to author the content, and you can also add images in addition to web links to your navigation panes. So I'm going to add a logo, just copy and paste. And I just want this logo, this part of the image. So I'm going to crop the image. And this is where you need to be careful that you make sure that you compress the image. Otherwise, when you load it into the Advisor software, the cropped areas of the image will be displayed. So to compress a picture, just click on it. Make sure you're in the Picture Tools. Go to Compress Pictures. And you'll get a dialog box, and this is where you want to make sure that Delete Cropped Areas of Pictures is checked, and click OK. And then you just need to save the document and make sure you specify it as RTF. So go to Save As and select Rich Text Format, and save, and close. And now I'm going to load this into an Advisor project. And to do this, you simply right-click on the page that the navigation pane is associated with and go to Page Properties, go to the navigation pane, and then check Display Content from a file, an RTF file, and load. And so find your navigation pane and click OK. Now, if you decide you want to edit your navigation pane, that can easily be done. So I want to take out the image. I don't really like it. So what I need to do is find where I saved the document, which was on my desktop. Open it, and I just want to delete the image, so I'm going to delete it, and save it, close. And now I have to reload the navigation pane into the project by following the same steps I did to load it. So right-click on Page, Page Properties again, Navigation Pane, and then reload the file. So I'm going to select it, click OK, OK, and you can see that it is updated. Now, you can also hide the navigation panes in the Analyst or Analyst X interface as well, simply by clicking the X in the red box And to bring it back, you have to go to View and select Navigation Pane. So just to sum up, navigation panes are fairly simple to create. Just author the content in a tool that supports RTF, or rich text format files, and then load the content into the Advisor project.